Yeah, hi everyone, it's Chriso. The next stage I've screeded the shower and I'm just letting it dry off a little bit. So I'm starting out here. You always have your glue as your slurry on your floor outside your shower. In your shower, I showed you before, it's the waterproof. Here I've just copied off next door in my shower, like there. I'm bringing that to the same height. You don't really have to level it because you know, but you do it to check it. And I'm a little bit too high, so just bring it down a tiddly diddly. So now we go around the perimeter level. Going off that point there. This wooden floor is a little bit out of level like my last job. I think that's what you get with wooden floors. They're not always as level as a concrete floor.
Good morning.
So we get that right, then we're able to go off it. We're able to then go around the room, and then I can pull it back and start tiling, pulling it back as I go. Right, so you're watching your right hand side because that's what you're going off. That's your level part. I need to clear a bit of excess away in a sec. Just like that. Just like that. It's always a little bit tricky around a toilet pipe. You get that? Just check it for level. Well, see that bubble? That's bloody beautiful. Okay, I'll do a bit more. I'll bring it back and I'll start laying some tiles in here. And then I'm able to work out. I'll come around here and then I'll lay my shower floor. All right, see you soon.